ayun, welcome na naman sa ating daily routine content. At syempre, papasok na naman tayo. Another day. Diba? Another work, syempre. Ayun guys. So, samahan nyo ulit kami for today's video dahil babiyahe tayo. Dahil hindi naman umuulan, gagamit tayo ng ating Yamaha Mio gear. Okay? So, ingat sa mga nagmumotor. At syempre, malapit ng Pasko. Ilang araw na lang guys. Konting tiis na lang. So, ayun. Guys, tara. Biyahe tayo and think positive and let's work.
You've been on my mind all day. Every time you call, I'm on the way. You don't ever need to say. I just read you right over there. Pull up in the vibe, stay real. Everything you do, I feel. Girl, you got that certain appeal. Got me thinking this might be real. I ain't tryna hide it. You the one I ride with. Every time I'm near you, girl, I get excited. Maybe don't deny it. Come a little closer, we ain't got fighting. Let me take you over, girl, you stay on my mind every night, all the time. I can't stop, you feel right. Call me, ain't no switch sides, girl, you stay on my mind every night, all the time. I don't need no sign, just stay right here tonight. Know I'm locked in when you come around. Any other noise, I shut it down. When you hit my line,
And so, ayun na nga guys, syempre nandito na tayo sa office. Ayun, medyo maaga pa naman kaya nandito muna tayo sa baba. Ilalakad-lakad muna tayo, tambay tayo ng kaunti. So ayun guys, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Again, maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa video natin na to. At syempre guys, mag-subscribe naman kayo, kaya mag-follow, okay? O paano? Tara! Work, ilang days na lang, Christmas na! Let's go, konting sipag, matatapos yung taon na malakas tayo, okay? Peace out. Follow for more.